One of the things that can happen to you these days is for you to earn in dollars. In this era, if you're earning in dollars or if you're earning in these hard currencies, you can be a successful guy in 2025. So in today's video, I'm here for you. I'm going to show you how you can make money in dollars using Adsterra and some simplest ways to be successful on Adsterra. If today happens to be the first time, and for those new on this particular channel, my name is Brian and this is what I usually do on my channel. I teach how to make legit money. I'm not here to teach you how to get rich faster. I'm going to teach you ways that can get you money gradually. In this method, there's the need for you to be patient and it requires a lot of attention before you can make it on Adsterra. You can't make it on Adsterra within 3 days, within 4 days. It takes a lot of time and dedication. So starting everything on my channel, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell in order to receive updates and tricks on how you can make money on Adsterra as well. If you want to make some updates which I can't post here on time, kindly join my Telegram channel in order to get these updates on time whenever I post them. The link to join this particular channel is in the description. Kindly check it out in order to join this particular community. Now, without wasting much time, let's get back to the video. Starting everything, when you go to my YouTube channel, you can equally see the playlist button right over here, of which there are a lot of playlists right over here, and you can see the Adsterra playlist being displayed now, and you can see a lot of videos on the Adsterra playlist. As you can see, the Adsterra playlist is here, so I'll tap on view full playlist and it's going to show you a playlist with 17 videos. So all these videos talks about Adsterra, how you can start an Adsterra account, how you can create an account. Okay, so check the description, there is a link there for you to create an Adsterra account. And as I said in my previous video, if you want to be man downline or if you want to have the same manager as me, kindly use my referral link in order to create an Adsterra account for yourself. So as you can see now, I'm having a lot of videos talking about Adsterra tricks and some tips on how you can make money on Adsterra. Kindly check out all these videos in order to catch up with us. So starting everything, as I said earlier on, subscribe to the channel so that we can earn some cool cash for ourselves. So let me go to my Adsterra dashboard and show you something real quick. So as you can see now, you can see my Adsterra dashboard to be having $3,619 US right over here, of which I've received all that amount of money, and I'm having 0.01 US right over here. I received this amount of money, I think 3 days today, so I'll check my payment information and show you when I received my last payment from Adsterra. Adsterra is one of the easiest ways to make money online. So for the beginners right over here, let me talk a little bit about Adsterra and let's dive into the trick I have for you today in order to earn at least $100 each and every month on Adsterra. As I said earlier on, the goal of this channel is to help each and every person make more than $100 each and every month on the internet. So if you're new here, that is our goal on this particular channel. So joining the community, this is what we're going to start on Adsterra for today. So starting everything, as you can see right now, you can see the dashboard, statistics, direct links, websites, referrals, API. Unless I forget, let me explain Adsterra for you to get a fair idea about Adsterra. So after watching this particular video, check my previous videos in order to understand Adsterra before you start everything right over here. Adsterra is not a real quick thing. It takes time and dedication in order to make money on Adsterra. Okay, so starting everything, Adsterra is very simple. On Adsterra, there is a need for you to bring people on board, for them to click on your link and just be earning like that. It's super simple and very easy. That's the scenario or everything about Adsterra. Just grab a direct link or just grab an ad code, place them on your blog or anywhere that you think people are going to click on that particular link, and boom, you're going to make some cool cash for yourself on Adsterra. I'll show you the total balance that I've earned from Adsterra from my different accounts. There is just one account. I'm going to show you from different accounts for you to know that Adsterra is real. And the payment method of Adsterra is USDT or bank transfer, which is very simple. I've already made a video on how to get an external wallet. So if you're not having an external wallet to receive your funds from Adsterra, kindly watch that particular video in order to register for an account on Binance, OKS, or Trust Wallet for yourself. So after knowing the definition or something small about Adsterra, let me take you through my dashboard and how this website works and how you can make some cool cash for yourself. Some of the alternates of Adsterra is Monetag and Hilltop Ads, but I've been trying all these for 1 year now, and Adsterra is the best for me now. So you can try Monetag or Hilltop Ads and see the one which works perfectly for you, but here we are all trying Adsterra. So starting everything, as you can see, the dashboard shows you everything about Adsterra, everything that you need to know, and the statistics shows you the number of people who have tapped on your link and the amount of money you've earned that particular day. So talking about the direct link and the websites, these are the two ways in order to make money on Adsterra, okay? The very first one is for you to earn on direct link, and the very next one is for you to earn through your website. So let me talk about the very first one. The very first one is for you to earn on direct link, and on Adsterra, you'll be given a unique link which will be shared on your social media platforms or anywhere that you think you can get people on board for them to tap on your link in order to get some cool cash for yourself. So let's go to the direct link and see something about the direct link, how you can go by the direct link and make some cool cash for yourself. So the very first thing you need to do about the direct link is for you to create a direct link. Creating a direct link is super simple and super easy, and it is absolutely for free. There's no charge for creating a direct link right over here. So that's the very first one. If you want to create a direct link, simply tap on this green add direct link icon in order to create a direct link for yourself. So the next one is for you to add the link anywhere. As I said earlier on, you'll be adding the link anywhere that you think people are going to tap on the link in order to generate leads to your Adsterra dashboard. And the next one is to track and make changes. So let's drop all this and move towards to how you can make some cool cash or how you can increase your impressions on Adsterra. Adsterra works with impressions and CPM as well. I've already explained all this in my previous video. That's why I said you should check the playlist in order to get some understanding about Adsterra and how it actually works. So let's create a direct link for ourselves. So as you can see now, I'm having a lot of direct links, and I'm going to create another one in addition to the one I'm having. So I'll tap on add direct link, and you can see the add a direct link tab, traffic type, which is adults and mainstream. I usually choose the adults, which comes with higher CPM. So I'll select the adults, then I'll tap on add. After tapping on add, it's going to wait, and as you can see, we are reviewing your direct link. So you'll be notified when the review is complete. So check your email address. There will be a notification that your Adsterra link has been approved and it is active. So you can see mine is still on pending. So whilst I'm having an active one right over here, I can reactivate all these for them to be active. So you can see all of them are active now. So after creating the direct link, so this is on pending. After your direct link is being approved, this is how you're going to see it. You're going to see it as this. So in order to copy your direct link, simply tap on the copy icon, and let me open the notepad to show you how the direct link looks like. So this is my direct link right over here, and there is a need for me to share this direct link on anywhere that I think I'm going to get leads to this direct link straight up to my dashboard in order to make some cool cash for myself. Okay, so this is the trick. After copying your direct link, what you have to do is to simply find a social media platform that you think is going to generate leads, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I do in order to make more than $100 each and every month on Adsterra. I'm not going to hide anything from you guys, okay? So as you can see right now, I'm going to my Facebook account, and you can see I've already created a page which is named Brian LLC. I'll be blurring some parts of this video because there are some sensitive pictures and videos right over here. So this is what you're going to do. Simply go to Instagram, Pinterest, or any other social media platform that you think you can get a lot of celebrities pictures and videos. So you're going to use celebrities pictures or videos, or even nice ladies with fine ass and then things. You're going to use these people because these people are attractive on the internet. Each and everyone wants to follow these people in order to see how they you understand. So that's what I'm going to use in order to generate leads to our Adsterra account. The goal is for us to make money together. So as you can see, the profile picture of my account right now, it is a lady. It is a lady, but I've already named my account Brian LLC, but I've placed a lady on the profile picture. So this is what I'm gonna do. After you've created a Facebook account, you simply go forward and create a Facebook page. I've already made a video on how to create a Facebook page. So tap on this link in order to know how to create a Facebook page for yourself. Simply choose any name for your page, and the next thing you have to do is simply go to Pinterest or Instagram, search for pictures and videos which are catchy or which are attractive in order to use it to build your Facebook page. So this is what I usually do. I create a Facebook page and I'll use an attractive picture as my Facebook profile. And the next thing I have to do is to simply be posting videos, or as I call it, reels. To be posting reels each and every morning and each and every evening in order to generate followers to my Facebook page. So the followers will be the people who are going to click on my Adsterra link in order to make some cool cash on Adsterra. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can convince your followers in order for them to click on your Adsterra direct link in order for you to make some cool cash for yourself. Starting everything, there is a need for you to download videos and pictures which are going to help you earn followers and views on your Facebook account, right? So as I said earlier on, go to Instagram or Pinterest, download videos of nice ladies or attractive ladies. Equally, I'll leave a link to my Google Drive in my Telegram channel in order to get access to all these videos in order to use them to build your Facebook page. So after building your Facebook page, you are going to use the story button and some link tree or link bio in order to make some cool cash right over here. So using the story, I'll scroll down until I find add story. So right now I am on my Brian LLC page and I'm going to show you how you can create a story for yourself in order to embed your Facebook, in order to embed your Adsterra direct link here for people to tap on it. Okay, so as you can see right now, simply tap on add story. You can equally do this on smartphone. If you feel your laptop or system units is too bulky for you to be doing all this, you can be doing it on your smartphone. Okay, there's no need for you to stick to your laptop. I've been using my smartphone for everything, but for tutorial's sake, I want to use the laptop in order to show you how it works. So in order to know how it works, simply select create a photo story, select any picture of yours. So I'm going to select this picture of mine. I'm going to use my picture for this tutorial, but of course don't use your picture, just use a catchy picture or something like that. So as you can see this button, you can see add a button or add text. So you're going to select add a button right over here and you're going to see web link button. So simply select the web link button, tap on the select button and select see more. So the see more, the next thing you have to do is simply paste in your direct link right over here. If your direct link is being declined whenever you paste this in, go to any URL shortener in order to shorten your direct link, paste it over here, and I think that one will help, and I think that one will work perfectly for you. So the next thing you have to do is to simply tap on share to story. So it will load and it will be successfully shared to your story for you. So let's wait as it is being shared to our story for me. So as you can see right now, add to story. So my story has been added. I can tap on it to view. So this is equally how people are going to see my story right over here. So as you can see, if this video is very catchy and people are willing to see a lot more about this video, they are going to tap on see more. So this button will lead them directly to your Adsterra direct link, which is going to generate some few bucks for you. So whenever anyone taps on the see more button, it's going to direct them to your direct links and you will be good to go. So this is how you're going to see the number of viewers that you've gotten and those of people who have tapped on the see more account. So you can see no viewers yet. So I'm going to delete this story because it is not the aim of this particular page. So I'll delete this story. So as you can see, this is a story from someone, and you can see this nice curvy lady, and this lady didn't add any web link to her story. That's why you can see any add new over here. So let me go to the next one. So you can see this story is kind of exposing, so I'll blur this story, and as you can see right now, you can see the see more button right over here. So whenever you tap on the see more button, so it's going to direct you straightly to the link the person placed in her Facebook story. I don't know whether it is Adsterra or not. Facebook is used by many users and you can't predict whether it is Adsterra or not. So this is actually how it works. So I'll move backwards and showing you how this actually works. I'm going to show you how you can generate a lot of views on your Facebook page. So each and every morning, what you have to do is simply post a video or a picture. I'll be leaving links to my Facebook groups in order for you to share your stars there to get a lot of followers in order to generate leads to your Adsterra direct link. So it's very simple. Join my Telegram channel and there I'll leave all the links to my groups and I'll pre-approve each and every member who joins from my YouTube channel in order to post his or her pictures or videos to grow his Facebook page. So it's super simple and super easy. This is what I've been doing for less than a year now, and trust me, I've been making a lot of money from Adsterra. It is not a one-day thing. Just be doing this each and every morning and each and every evening, and trust me, you'll be earning a lot of money from Adsterra. So as you can see right now, I'm going to take you through the second step, that is making money with the website. So I'll select the websites on my Adsterra account, and I'm going to see how the website works right over here. So the very first thing is for you to add your website. If you don't have a website, don't worry, I have a simple way to create a website for you, which is super easy and super simple. There's no need for you to purchase a domain or a hosting, which is Blogspot. And I'm having nice templates in order for you to be using this for a website. So as you can see, add your website, create an ad unit, copy and embed your code. So let me show you how this is also done. So tap on the add websites and just enter any websites that you think. Just enter any name right over here. So I'll enter briantrends.cool, and I think I've been using this briantrends.ai. Select the website category. So I'll move down and select other. That is what I usually do, and toggle this adult ads on, because adult ads comes with higher CPM and revenue. As you can see, adult ads typically help to increase CPM and revenue. So everything I'm saying is true. So here you need to choose an ad unit format. So I'm going to make this video specifically for those who want to make money using their website, that is placing ad codes on their website in order to make money from Adsterra. So the first thing, I'm going to choose the proponder ad, then I'll tap on add. So it will wait, and as the direct links being reviewed, this one too will be reviewed in order to get approved. So I'm already having one website right over, that's briantrends.io. So in order to add units, I'll tap on add units, and I'll select a different ad, that is native banner, and I'll create. It will be reviewed as well. So I'll scroll down, and as you can see, I'm having two ad units, and when I scroll down, you can see the inactive one over here. I can resubmit in order for them to activate it for me. So right now, when I tap on get code, this is the code that I can copy and paste on my website in order to generate ads on my website, so that I can get some leads on my Adsterra. But I'll advise each and every person to take the direct link more serious and use the website as a secondary way to make money on Adsterra. So these are some of the things that I need to talk about Adsterra today. And if you want me to show you the balance, this is the balance right now of my of an account which is less than 1 year now. So let me go to the payment I received some few days ago. So as you can see right now, I received $406 US, of which they deducted a fee of $8.13, which is, I think, 2% of the amounts you are receiving. That is the tax, or that is the withdrawal fee that they usually deduct. That is 8.13%. It is 2%. So actually, the 2% of 406 USD was 8.13%. So this is the date that I received this particular amount of money. That is the third of this particular month, that is February 2025. I just received 400 and I think 406 USD, showing that Adsterra is one of the easiest ways, and there is no need for you to get a startup capital. It's very simple for you to make money on Adsterra. So join us for us to make money on Adsterra with ease. I've placed all the necessary links that you will need in the description, so kindly tap on it in order for us to thrive together. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. My name is Brian, and I'm out.